Ready to transform raw data into actionable insights with a visually stunning and interactive Tableau dashboard. First, connect Tableau to your data source. In this example, we're using sample Superstore data, but yours could be Excel, SQL, or anything else. Next, create the individual visualizations you want in your dashboard. Build charts, graphs, and maps that highlight key trends and metrics from your data. Now, click the New Dashboard tab at the bottom of the Tableau window to begin assembling your dashboard. Drag and drop your created worksheets from the left-hand pane onto the dashboard canvas. Arrange them in a way that tells a clear and compelling story. Add interactive filters to your dashboard to let users drill down into the data. Drag relevant dimensions or measures from the data pane to the filter shelf of each sheet, then display those filters on the dashboard. Enable Use as Filter on your sheets so that selections in one visualization dynamically update related visualizations. You can do this by clicking the drop-down arrow on your sheet. Enhance your dashboard with titles, text boxes, and formatting to provide context and guide the user. Consider adding images or company logos to improve your dashboard appearance. Ensure your dashboard looks great on any device by using the Device Preview option. Optimize the layout for desktops, tablets, and phones. Congratulations, you've successfully created an interactive Tableau dashboard that empowers users to explore data and make data-driven decisions. Now go and visualize all the things.